Have you ever wondered how to harvest and preserve your own garden herbs? Imagine the aroma of fresh basil, rosemary, and thyme all year round. The secret lies in your very own backyard. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of preserving your own herbs. Harvesting herbs is more than just picking them off the plant. It's a gentle art that begins early, ideally in the morning when the oils in the herbs are most potent. You'll want to choose the parts that are vibrant and lush, avoiding any that look discolored or wilted. The best way to harvest is by cutting, not tearing, to prevent any harm to the plant. Always remember to use sharp shears or scissors for a clean snip. With these tips, harvesting herbs becomes a breeze. Once you've harvested your herbs, it's time to preserve them. There are two main methods to keep your herbs fresh for future use: drying and freezing. Let's explore both. For drying, first tie your herbs in small bundles. Then, hang them upside down in a cool, dry place. This method uses the natural airflow and low humidity to slowly dry the herbs, retaining their flavor. On the other hand, freezing is perfect for herbs like basil, parsley, or chives that don't dry well. Simply chop the herbs and place them in an ice cube tray. Fill the tray with water or olive oil, then pop it in the freezer, and voila! You have your preserved herbs ready to use whenever you need them. Preserving herbs is an excellent way to extend the life of your garden produce. In short, harvesting at the right time is crucial, typically in the morning when the oils are most potent. Careful snipping promotes growth and keeps your plants healthy. For preservation, drying and freezing are effective methods, while making herb-infused oils or vinegars adds a gourmet touch. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.